Why do I feel like I look too white? Do I? Cheers to all the Galapagos Islands in the world. Alright, hey guys, what's up? And welcome to today's new video. I am actually going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I don't know what to call this. I'm just gonna do my makeup in front of you guys because, you know, why not? I mean, for reals. So let's start with the foundation, I guess. What I've been using recently, guys, which I am in love with, literally in love, is this foundation from MAC. It's the Studio Fix Fluid. I freaking love this. I got mine in B77 and it matches my colors so well. And I've literally had this little thing for like 3 months and I still have enough. Like, you don't need to use that much. That's why, like, it's really good coverage.
Anyways, guys, what's up? Like, for reals, like, how's it been going? Anything new? Oh, really? That's good. Proud of you. Just kidding.
Anyways, guys, so that's basically it for my foundation. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's pretty good. I mean, I love it. And it looks very natural to me. And guess what? I have no concealer. Woohoo! I have these that are gone. They're drugstore. I don't even know what this. The Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. And a little goes a long way with this. Like, look how little I'm gonna put right now. But I don't know, guys. Like, I don't really like it. Ow. Sorry. My nose is really itchy. Ah! Alright, guys. I don't know why I always do things out of order. Always. I do want my... I want to do a really cool look for you guys. Not one that I really know, but, you know, whatever. We'll just do whatever, because I don't really know. What? It's... For the base, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. And just, you know, a little orange for the crease, because I always like doing orange on the crease. Anyways, I'm just trying to blend. This one and... Ow! I didn't even notice I had black in my eye. Just for this kind of base part. Whoa. And I'm just gonna rub it in. It is the Bake Shadow honestly, guys, don't know what I'm doing, but whatever.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down.
To go in with the darker colors like this, and then I'm gonna be using the greens too.
Around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have
So then you can really have that thing, and it really matches my hair. If you guys can see, I have like the orange, the blues, and the greens, so I'm kind of going for a hair slash a hair slash eye coordination of like the greens, the purples, the oranges, the pinks, you know? It's all there, guys. It's all there. Anyways, so now that you have that, honestly, just blend out. We're gonna work on the bottom right now. I just want to clean up my face real quick because it is a mess. Okay, so what I would usually do is just kind of like rub it off, but sometimes it rubs into your skin. Now that it's all cleaned up and ready to go,
so now let's do some contouring. Yay!
do that. I know it looks really dark, but we'll blend it out right now.
I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough.
I know it looks really psycho on the, because my lighting is really crazy right now, so you can see everything that I just changed. Like, look how dark this side looks. It doesn't look that crazy in person, I swear.
Just because, one, my forehead is huge. Yes, we all know this. Two, that's what I saw on the website. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, but that's how I do my bronzer all the time. I just kind of go on the jawline. Just, you know, the regular bronzing stuff you're supposed to do, including the nose, which is here, and right here in the little crease.
Anyways, now that I'm all bronzed up, now we're gonna be doing some blush because I don't like looking
So, I like.
If you know what I mean.
Milani? I'm pretty sure. Anyways, it's this one. I love this one because it looks more corally. What I love about this is that you could keep dashing it and like it's never enough. Like you could just keep doing it. Just because I like being golden, you know? Like putting some here, here, and here. I know I look psycho right now, but it's fine. Really dark brown. Because I can, bro! And because I need to. And because I don't have anything. And yeah, you know what? Who freaking cares? You know, it's still gonna fill in my brows. In the back, I'm not really doing the front. I'm gonna comb them out, trying to make them even because they do look kind of weird every time I do it with powder. I don't really know how to like. Ooh. I don't know if I'm digging it, but I did put a lot right here in the end and I don't want that. Just trying to blend, man. I'm just trying to blend. Okay, whatever. It is what it is. Alright. So now that I finished the under part, which is just purple, I mean, you guys could go crazy and put all three colors. You guys can go crazy, just put one, just put orange, just put nothing. You guys could do whatever you want, but this is what I ended up doing. Recently, I've been using or been trying to use the NYX Power Puff. I haven't really been that into it, but I mean, it's pretty cool. It makes your lips look matte. It makes them look pretty cool. I like it. I think this lip color might be a little bit too pink for this, but dude, look at my eyes. Like, I need concealer. Like, I'm telling you guys, it looks better if you have a better concealer, because I don't. Anyways, guys, so we are done. I am not going to be wearing this, and yes, I am going to be doing my hair But for right now, I just wanted to show you guys this quick makeup tutorial just so you guys can watch it and like it. Hopefully you guys can try it and let me know how it looks on you guys. Also, yeah, just subscribe to me if you haven't already. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did like the makeup tutorial, or you guys want to see more makeup tutorials, because I don't really know, because I'm not really a makeup person. But if you guys liked it, then like it. Also, make sure to push the little notification bell so you guys know every time that I am posting. I didn't really have a lot to say in this video, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. God bless, and then I'll see you guys next time. Anyways, yeah, love you.